Why is it that there are people that will falsely accuse another person? Now, in psychology, most of the people, ang tendency nato is we want to maintain that good reputation. And that's the very reason nga nung kung usa ka tendency nga nung maka-falsely accuse ang tao. For example, nakabuhat sa sayop sa kanang tawhana. Na kung nasayop siya, anang tawhana, the situation will destroy his reputation. And that's the very reason why these people will seek to cover the truth. And sometimes, to cover the truth, he will falsely accuse the person. And also, maybe, he will falsely accuse also the friend of that person that knows the truth. So, bisag kinsa nakabalo sa tinuod, and this person think that kaning tawhan na bis kabaw nis tinuod, ayang buhaton dauton to niyag una, so that the focus will be transferred to that person or to those people that he think that knows the truth, and mawa ang focus sa iyaha, and that way he can maintain his good reputation. Now, unsay problema ani? Walay problema. For example, if you are a member of whatever denomination you have, whatever church you belong, I don't care if ordinary members falsely accuse another member. I don't care. But what I care is when you are a leader of your denomination, you are a bishop, you are a pastor, you are a evangelist, you are a minister, you are a priest, and then you falsely accuse your member. What is, unsa may nganong mas lisod man na siya compared to ordinary member? It is because you are supposed to be the shepherd of the flock. And Jesus Christ gave a very good example of being a good shepherd. A good shepherd, when he put his sheep inside the fold, and then when he count, and there is one missing of the sheep, the good shepherd will leave the fold and find the one who is missing. That is the shepherd. Whatever, muna siya gyud ang good shepherd. Now, if the shepherd falsely accuse the members of his denomination, he will become the wolf. Because the job of the wolf is to scatter and hurt the sheep. That is the work of the wolf. The shepherd's work is to protect the sheep. He makes sure that the sheep is safe. But at the time that the shepherd will accuse the member falsely, he is attacking the sheep. He is hurting the sheep. And in that time, ngayon ang buhaton, he becomes the wolf. And when the shepherd becomes the wolf, the fold is in danger. That is the very reason that it is worse kung ang shepherd mo'y mubuhat, ana. So remember, this is the thing that we should remember. If you are a shepherd, if you are a pastor, a priest, a minister, an evangelist of your congregation, remember that in every commandment of the Lord, there is a corresponding blessing of those who obey. But also, there is a corresponding curse of those who will not obey. If you falsely accuse your sheep, if you falsely accuse your members, repent speedily, so that the curse that is predicated to commandments that you disobey will not overtake you. You have time to repent. You have time to change. You have time to tell the truth. Thank you.